lukurogni hamkrai khlaimani bisingtuino mutaini ruwai manusung luku hamsamuni samungrogni bisingo kaisa jotoni se kotor tei kaham samung wngkha thwi rimani samung thwi rimani hai kaham samungno songsajak rimani bagui South Indian Bank no Fasalo hambai yafarka Hasteni thanglasu tangbetani montri Sushanta Chowdhury Fasalo South Indian Bank ni Ramnagar branch thwi rimani panda songsajak aro manjak Hasteni thanglasu tangbetani montri Sushanta Chowdhury tei Mayor Dipak Majumdar no khobui kubuni asamarok bank ni samungrok no karibo luku hamkrani samungrok khlaimani bagui bank ni adongrok no khaka hamte hambai yafarka montri Sushanta Chowdhury.
Now, as a part of their social responsibility, they have planned to organize this blood donation camp here in presence of thwi. I, at the very outset, from the core of my heart, thank and congratulate them for taking out this benevolent effort and initiative for mankind. As the rightly pointed out by Swami Vivekananda, that service to man is service to God. If we speak in Bengali, it means Jibe Prem Pure Jaijon, Jaijon Shivi Jaishon. So we know none of us here have seen God, but we believe that God exists within ourselves. If we can render our service for mankind, for human being, that means we are rendering our service to the God. So keeping that in view, not only the South Indian Bank, all government organizations, all NGOs, all clubs, social organizations, they organize blood donation camp in order to render their service for mankind. So today I take this opportunity and thank you once again for taking this initiative in organizing this blood donation camp.
Khorja taikalayo Hasteni montri okra Dr. Manik Saha ni kubukmung baino tabok haste gonangui gobangma motharokni bakhakte thwi rima hai samung butangrok khlaijagui tongo. Bureau report Kokkhorang.